Audi Q7, famous 3-liter diesel. Listen, that's what it's in for. 66,000 on the clock. 2018. I mean, the bottom is noisier than the top.
It's definitely further towards the back.
There can be cams, that gears. Maybe have a gear snap that tips. First thing, put car in jacking mode. Yeah, here, wheel change. Now the air suspension is locked. It's not gonna inflate, deflate. Now you can work. Let's see why it's got EML. Is it correlation code or something? Cylinder 1 and cylinder 3 glow plugs. That's it. Nothing with the correlations. Synchronizing cam crank. It can be not just chain. For me it doesn't sound like chain. Engine is coming out. No, it doesn't have metal bits, no. Filter is fine. That confirms that it's not that bad. It could be worse. Look at rocker covers as well. See how messy? Oil, diesel, residue, everything. Same. Vacuum. Quickly under tray, just drop. Why last bolt always fucked? Huh. Is it got any leaks? No water, no anything around. Sump is absolutely dry. Nice, nice, nice. Let's do the oil. Boost pipe. People are asking where I get my torch from. So it's from Amazon. 2 for 25. So while one is charging, you use another one. And it's bright. Now this little pipe, let it soak. Quick release pipes. I don't know about that. How quick release are they? Yes, out. Shout out to German engineered quick release pipes. German engineering is the best. Like we say, wife can be from village, but the car must be from Germany. It's connected, it's recovering. On top one, only one pipe. Another fucking quick release. And now this is the gray area, yeah? Let's say if I break it, customers say, oh, you break it, it wasn't broken before. But when you in these situations, it's like stuck now. Is it customers' pocket or ours? Okay, this time I'm lucky. Once the aircon is out, we disconnect these two lines. Top is done. Next, wheel arch liner. Сука, блядь. And then people wondering why mechanics dirty, kurva, your car's dirty now. Steering off. Prop shaft. Two ideas how to drop it. I would say, which one is easier for you? Arms here and drive shaft, or from the top and everything together? What would you say?
I think arms and then drive shaft, you know?
Then we need a spanner, I think. Oh, I like Audi, but not the suspension. Suspension! Oh. One arm is out. Now take this off, the regulator, because subframe is coming out. Regulator can stay. Easy, kurwa, easy. That much stripping for lower arm, if you want to do it nicely without damaging these heat shields. Oh, another quick release, kurva. Famous banana arm. Drive shaft. And that's it. This one is out completely. That's it. Drive shaft is out. Finito. So I can undo the bottom gearbox bolts. It's under the cooler. Yeah. So we need to undo torque converter. When the engine is on the ground, it's very shit access to undo. I put the cooler back in place. Prop shaft. Probably need to take this bridge off. It's in the way a little bit. Come on, kurva! What else, нахуй? Exhaust, нахуй. Не, ну это пиздец. Supposed to come off. How? What the fuck is this technology? Kurva. What next? That gearbox linkage. That was the gear linkage. Everything disconnected underneath. Just this side do the same. Much better. Large liners again. It's ready. Oba. Have leaks, yeah, see on the side. It have leaks, but that's not a major problem with this car. Here as well, coming on the alternator. Okay, first things, take exhaust off, then the box off. Kurwa, this gearbox bigger than me. These two will leave for now. Now need to take off that starter motor bottom bolt. That starter motor bolt, famous, is here, look. See? I can't put my hands nahui. I think last time I lifted everything from subframe to access that. Challenge accepted. Man. Just a little lift so I can access that fucking bolt. The access is shit. Kurva, I don't understand which idiot put this bolt here. This is not normal. Imagine changing starter motor inside the car. I watched once the car, that video. He said he took the engine out to change the starter motor. For Porsche Panamera starter motor inside the box. I changed one time. Fucking this bolt is peak. That starter motor bolt is a
Starter motor.
no! You have to jack everything so you can access. Without that, no chance. And slowly pulling the box because hits that. That's it. Off. Now, everything, little by little. Turbo, intake pipe, exhaust manifolds, injectors, rails, rocker covers. Okay, rocker cover can come up. We need to turn the engine now. The chain is loose a little bit. Yeah, we need to get access to chain. See, jumping. Look, no teeth. Here again, missing.
Oh man. Unlucky.
Customer book in for chain. When I bring the car on the ramp, I listen to it and I say straight away, it's not gonna be only chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thieves left the chat. Audi in Germany is a reliable car. Open the sump, clean everything, metal leftovers, maybe the oil pump as well. We need to open to see how oil pump looks. Another day, another Audi. Normal. Time for this cover. You can remove this cover by only removing these two bolts, but when you're fitting back, you need to replace this gasket, so you need to take off EGR. To take off EGR, everything comes off from the top. Absolutely everything. Audi. Oh, the bolts are out. Cover can come off. And tensioner is out, yeah. Like fully out now. Yeah? And it still needs big repair, big bills. I don't see any of them broken, these guides. It's just a massively stretched chain. I think open the sump now. Nothing can be on the upper sump. They are somewhere in the engine. Dig it deeper. Taking off now upper sump. Let's see what's in there. Bolts are different length. I will remember. Squirter. Shout out to Milwaukee. Pickup, yeah? You see? We have some metal bits. This engine is very high cost maintenance. It's quite good performance on them. They quite reliable. But when shit goes wrong, bruh, you don't want to be the one. Gasket. No, oil pump chain. Oh, this crankshaft cost 2,000 pounds. I tell you why. Only because of this. Yeah. Metal bits. Check the pump. See, marks. Look how big is scratch here. Interesting shit is going on, yeah? Locking, yeah? And you're spinning. Look. No tension anymore, you see? Oil pump fucked. Chain fucked. The oil pump failed because of this.
How very unfortunate.
A repair is reaching about 5 figures.